This is a 2014 Cadillac ATS. Black exterior, black interior. It's got the sunroof. It's the 2.0 turbo. Backup camera. Reverse parking sensors. It's an ATS4. Already has the window tint. If you read through the comment section in the all caps, I have the package that this car has and all the different features. And I'll walk around and show you some as well. Front parking sensors, projector beam headlights, LED blinkers here on the side mirrors, driver memory seat package. Got the really cool kind of racing pattern here on the door. Bose audio. Got the ATS rubber floor mats, power driver seat. Air vents, 12-volt port, same thing, ATS mats in the rear. Coming on the bottom corner here, you have the lane change alert and parking sensors. Also has forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, all your Bluetooth, got your paddle shifters, 67,000 miles. Built-in navigation, backup camera, push button start, heated seats, all your different driving modes. Really cool dash inserts here. OnStar. There's your sunroof. And then looking at the key, you also have the built-in remote start.